Alright my peeps, welcome back to my channel. And guys, today I'm gonna make a wig. This one will be a short curly hair wig. And what you need, guys, you need your wig cap, and I have my mannequin head right here. Now I have some bundles of short curly hair. They're human hair, they say. I got them from AliExpress, and I will link the name of the seller in the description box. 3 in a pack. You need your needles and thread. This is what I'm doing. I'm just sewing it right around, and then when I reach close to the ears, I turn it, and then I'm gonna do it and fold it and continue until when I reach up top, then I show you what I'm gonna do. And this is 1 pack, and I put 1 row around it, and this is it, guys. I just want to do it in my lap. It's so much comfortable than I have to stand up. I'm gonna go around it just like that, and instead of bending it back and forth, I'm just gonna go right round to the front, and then I'm gonna continue into a circular motion until I reach the top. I'm gonna show you 2 ways how you can sew it. So the first way, you can pick up some and you can push it through the web or through the hair, through the knot part, the sew part, and there you can do it like that. Or you can do it like this. Sew a little bit, put it under, and then you take it back through, pull it tight, just like that. Show you again. Under, pull it through, take it up, and there you have it. I'm gonna sew it right around. Now I'm gonna start the next bundle, and you just want to sew it right around, leaving just this amount of space because you want the hair to stretch, and that's it. All right, before I cut this thread, I'm just gonna show you how I start it so you can have some stretch in it. When you're starting it, don't start it close to it because it's going in a circular motion. You need a little bit of room in it. So I'm gonna start it about here. So if you have a bigger head or your head is not that small, then you have some stretch in the side. All right, leave the thread a little bit loose as well. Just like that, guys. Can you see the stretch in it? And it doesn't matter if you leave out a little bit because the next row it's gonna cover it. All right, and I'm gonna continue right around in a circular motion. Just like that. Now I'm gonna start the 5th bundle. And this time I'm gonna sew it flat. I'm not gonna overlap the thread. I'm just gonna sew it flat. This is the tiny space, about a finger, you need to leave out to put the closure or make your own closure at this time. Give it a knot. That's it right there. and this is what I'm going to use for my closure. Now you need some hair glue, bonding glue. You can use the white, the clear, or this one, the black. So there you go. You want to glue this part together first. And just glue it in small portion. Put some glue right around and in the middle. Just like that. Don't be afraid of it, guys. It's okay. And then you want to stick this in it. Just like that. Can you see it? It fits perfectly. And you just want to squeeze it down and hold it. If you have a blow dryer, you can use it because it needs to be well dry. And then you're going to hold the middle and you're just going to spread the side. All dry, not moving anywhere. I'm going to add about 3 clips, 1 to each side and 1 to the back. And there you see it, the center, and it's very stretchy. And I'm gonna try it on and then I'm gonna come right back. Guys, so this is the final result. I am so in love with this hair. It's so soft and nice. All I did, I just clip it up a little bit. This part is also a review because I wore this wig. Can you see it, guys? I wore it a few times to work and I'm going to show you what I put in it. All right, this wig is amazing. 110% to the seller. I'm so in love with this hair. No matter what you do with the curls, guys, if you wet it with water or whatever you put in it, the curls just bounce back just like that. It's amazing. I love it. You see the curls? And my makeup popping. Yeah, my makeup. This one is my Garnier and it's curl treat. So what I do, it smells amazing. Smells like I could eat it. You can use some water in a spray bottle and you can wet your hair, but I don't want that. I want to have somewhat curls, like dry curls. So what I'll do, I'll go in with this and I'm gonna rub it all over. And guys, can you see it? Ooh, yeah. Can you see all the curls coming in for life? There it is, guys. You want to go in with some Isle Sheen and you're going to spray a little bit. Ooh. Lots of oil sheen all around. All right, guys. Oh, mama mia. So guys, this is it. This is all my curls coming through. I'm gonna turn around. This hair does not shed, not even one bit, guys. This is perfect. Perfect for night out, going to work, going to party. This is an all-purpose wig for me, guys. I love it. And I made it short because I have some longer ones. And guys, I'm in love with this wig. Look at that. Ooh. Yes, yes, sister, yes. Bye guys, one love and be blessed. God first.